The date is the 15th of April 2025. Time is 9:53 p.m. Pitch black out here and there's a bird singing. It's a blackbird, I think. That's in fulfilment of Ecclesiastes. I think, I forget what it is now, 20 something, about cursing the king, and it's in the direction of the Birchwood Kingdom Hall of Jehovah's Witnesses, which is Jehovah's Temple in Jerusalem. So that bird is a sign from Jehovah about the elders cursing me and my family. Look, you can hear it. It's 9:53 p.m. Why is a blackbird singing? That's not right, is it? Honestly. Yep, that's quite loud, that blackbird. I'll play this video recording back to my Merlin Bird ID app and see what bird it is. That shouldn't be singing at this time of night. That's definitely a sign from Jehovah to the elders at the Birchwood Kingdom Hall. North Highcombe congregation. Yeah, it's funny, it's coming from the direction of the Birchwood Kingdom Hall, isn't it? I don't know what that noise is coming from the east. That's a car you can hear, but I just heard a noise from the east. I can't hear that noise now because of the car. Well, that blackbird definitely shouldn't be singing at nearly 10 o'clock at night. You can hear it clearly. It's definitely a blackbird, that. I will play it on my app in a minute. Yeah. That's amazing. Is that a dog barking now? Yep. I'm sure that was a dog. Dog backwards is God. So God is confirming that bird is supernatural. Or he's causing it to sing. There's some weird stuff going on every day here. People don't realise. Right, I think I'll call it a day there. Bye for now. I can hear the chimes at Lincoln Cathedral just as I switch the video down. You hear it? 10 o'clock. Well, you can hear that. Very rare hear that, really. 10 in the Bible means completion, God's completion number. Yeah, stop now. This is my Merlin Bird ID app, and it's very good. I use it quite often to identify the birds singing outside. And I'm just going to identify the bird that's singing in this video. And it's quite funny because, well, it's not funny, but this bird here, your bird of the day, a carrying crow, basically is not very good sign. It's not a good omen. In fact, I've got it here. It's an ominous associations. This is off Google, and it says in some European folklore, crows, especially carrying crows, are considered harbingers of death or messengers of doom. This association stems from their natural behavior of scavenging carrion or dead animals, which has led them being linked with death and the afterlife. So I don't think that's a very good sign for the elders at the Birchwood Kingdom Hall of Jehovah's Witnesses who wrongly disfellowship me, or for the Watchtower and the governing body. So I just want to show you this. What happens now, before I identify the bird in the video and press record, if you click on the crow like this, I think, yeah, and at the bottom it says found it. What it'll do now is put it on my map where my house is. But look what I found when I first put the Merlin Bird ID onto my tablet last year. Press found, right, and as you can see, oh, where's the map gone? That's playing up now. There we go. There's the map where I live. Now look in the bottom left hand corner, it says House of God, right? Now I swear on my children's lives, and I'm saying this to the news media especially, I did not put that there. I did not input House of God. So to me, that's the Holy Spirit confirming that I am Jehovah God. Now, if I press next, as you can see, it puts the carrying crow on the map at my house. 15th of April 2025. Still says House of God. Now, at the bottom, you've got a little pencil in the bottom right, the date. Now, that date you can actually change. Right? But if I go to change the little pencil icon next to the House of God, look what happens. It looks like you saw this bird here, House of God, next. See, it just goes round in circles. You cannot physically change that House of God to any other name. That's supernatural. And also, I tried to input a name. I've got my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus tablet in my left hand. Now, if you go and try and input the name in there, it basically says at the bottom, you're not connected to the internet. So I can't even change the name on here. But it's absolutely impossible. I was shocked when I saw that House of God in the left-hand corner, bottom corner. I thought, oh my God. And you can't physically change it, look. Press on the icon, pencil icon, nothing. Right. We're going to go back and identify this bird now in the video. In the beginning of the video. Here we go. I'll press sound ID and play the video. The date is the 15th of April 2025. Time is 9:53 p.m. Pitch black out here and there's a bird singing. It's a blackbird, I think. That's in fulfilment of Ecclesiastes. So as you can see there, I was wrong about the bird. It's actually a robin, a European robin. So that's interesting. Let's see what a European robin symbolises. What does a European robin symbolise? In many cultures, robins are believed to symbolise new beginnings, renewal, and good luck. They are also seen as messengers from the spiritual world, particularly by those who have experienced loss. Well, that's me, isn't it? I've lost all my family due to the elders wrongly disfellowshipping since 2010 for over 14 years. The bright red breast is often associated with hope and the presence of loved ones who have passed away. And then underneath it says, for centuries, this tiny bird has been the symbol of good luck, happiness, rebirth, and sometimes even a messenger for lost loved ones. These are tales stretching back to the Norse mythology. Yeah, this is a sign from Jehovah, definitely. So there you go. That's what the robin symbolises, and that's why Jehovah's made it sing at nearly 10 o'clock at night. So there you go. Another one for the evidence for the news media. Right. I'll say good night. Night, night. Bye for now.